Hello, good morning to all my little brother and sisters. Welcome to Vidyasri Education video classes. Today I would like to discuss with you if poem, and this poem is written by unknown poet. And if means this conditional says whether or one way possibility and ability to shown inside this world. And here the introduction of the poem giving is important in life. It means the generous or charitable heart or mind very helpful in the life to each and everyone humankind. To give someone something you must yourself be kind, strong and charitable. How the qualities we should be have in our life for our better personality. Therefore here a poet discussed and also gave the message to everyone. We should be kind, strong and charitable. Kind means merciful, helpful, generous. Strong means determined and confident and also sacrifice mentality. And charitable. Charitable means donatable, to give someone or donate to someone. And here in this poem clearly the poet clarifies you must not be hesitant. Hesitant means don't fear or go back for do the good deed or work. Deed means work or job or duty. And now I would like to read the poem once, and you also look the your textbook what given in the your syllabus. If you have a kind word to say, say it now. If you have something to give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. If there's good news to give it now. If there is friendship to show, hope you can rise or someone you can prize. Do it now, do it now, do it now. If you have trust to bestow, give it now. If there's courage to give, pain you can ease or someone you can please. Do it now, do it now, do it now. And in the final stanza or the conclusion, refrain. And here refrain means short poem or message to the end of the poem. Here written the poet, now before it is too late. Too late means very late. Now's the time, N-O-W. Now means the present time or in the contemporary. It means now means ega. The time for the good deed, D-E-E-D means deed. The meaning is work or the job. Do not wait until tomorrow and don't wait for tomorrow or later. You shouldn't have the mind to say like that the thing. For it may be just a little too late. And if you want to do the good work and you don't wait for next day or the later, because whatever the good deed, when you complete that one on the time, it's very useful and also precious and valuable. Therefore the poet or the poetess, because unknown person written this one poem, therefore he said a little too late, little also it's not good to the good work. And it means in Kannada also some says or saint says in the proverb, whatever the work you want, you don't say to tomorrow, and do that work on that day or the on that time. And now I want to discuss each line of the stanza of this poem. In the first stanza, if you have a kind word to say, you have any kind word to say to someone poor or any sad or worried person, you should be say it now only on that time. And later if you say that words are not valuable or that is not useful to that person. Therefore you should be say it now means on that time. NOW, now means on that time. If you have something to give it now. Whenever some person hungry or need the money or need any kind of the help, you should be give that help or money or the food on that time only. Because when the person hungry, on that time only need the food, or thirsty, and that time need the water to drink, and that time only important. After the fulfill of the hungry or the thirsty, if you give the water, that is not useful, or the food also not useful. Therefore the poet said you should be give on that time only. When the person need the money, and that time the poor people need the money, or any the helpless people need the help, on that time only you should be give. Therefore the poet said give it now means on that time only you should be give. And here in the second lines, if you have something to give it now, and that one is here. And next stanza, if you can make someone glad, GLAD, glad means happy, bliss, merry, cheerful, and you have the ability to do like that happiness to give all people, or another less sad, and by the your happiness some people become happy and very less people sad. And here is one important message: your happiness don't become too sad for others. Therefore if you have the attitude like that, give the happiness to someone and less sad by the that happiness to others, you should be do it now, do it now, do it now. 3 times he said here, do it now, do it now, do it now. And here, if there is good news to give it now. In the next line of this poem, it is continuous poem. If there's good news to give it now. Any news you have to broadcast, or any news to you have to say to someone, you should be tell on that time only. Therefore here the news you should be give to the people on very important time only. Therefore the message is very important. Message means, or the news means, it is very important to send very crucial time, and it's reach the people on the in time. Okay, therefore the poet said the in time or the good time you should be give the news. To the happy news or the sad news, you should be say or transfer the news very good time. If there is friendship to show, whenever you have the time to show your friendship with anyone, that friendship make good things in the your life or the others life, or in our society to country. You should be show your friendship, hope you can rise, and you should be stand up and rise your friendship and make everyone to yours. That is important too in our life. Make the more friendships and friends to good work. That is said by the poet. Or someone you can prize. Look here, it is very important in the line, or someone you can prize. Prize means someone appreciate to you. That is very important. Appreciation is need or not need, you don't think about that. You should be do the friendship, and you should be show the friendship for the better work. And therefore here said, do it now, do it now, do it now. Don't want any appreciation or prize, you only do the work. And in our Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna also said, you only do the work and don't accept the profit. And here in the next line, if you have trust to bestow, bestow means here give someone. This is formal use in the glossary, you can see to this one. If you have trust to bestow, give it now. You have the believeness, or you have the hope to another, you should be sure to that one, or give it now, he said here. And next poem lines, if there's courage to give, pain you can ease by your courage, and you less the some another people pain, and you can ease to someone. Means the ease means here EASE, ease means pain or worry, and free someone from the pain by your courage, and you take the pain and you are able to tolerate the pain, and that time you should be take that pain for the another happiness. That is very important in our life. By our courage means very braveness is also important. And or someone you can please, and please means your happiness. By your courage, by your tolerance of the take the pain, and through this work some people become happy. You should be do it now, do it now, do it now, the poet said. And in the last refrain, I said refrain means here